So first warm up before I add a bit more weight. I'm going to do this with the 2-inch grips. So I'm going to add a bit more weight now. Still keep the 2-inch grips on it. So I've done my warm-ups on my new open-ended hex bar. And now I'm going to try just a one work set. I'm going to belt up for it and use the 2-inch grips to start with. And when my grip fatigues, then I'm going to drop it down to a 1-inch grip. Okay, here we go. Okay. It's 2 with a 2-inch. Now I rotate to the 1-inch. That's the third one. So I've got 3 with a 1-inch, 2 with a 2-inch. I've never got 5 with a 2-inch. So the usefulness of the 2-inch handle is apparent.